What if I told you that 1 lakh rupees could be your ticket to business success? Here are 20 powerful ideas to get you started. Ready to transform your future? Number 20. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, accessory manufacturing business is about producing small accessories like scarves, belts, or simple bags. The yearly profit rate in this business is 49%. The market demand is high. If you are in areas with boutique shops or craft markets, this business will do well due to the growing trend towards accessorizing and personal style. Number 19. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, boutique women's clothing line business is about designing and producing a small collection of women's clothing such as dresses, blouses, selling online or at local markets. The yearly profit rate of this business is 47%. The market demand is very high. If you are in fashion forward areas or online platforms with high traffic of fashion shoppers, this business will succeed due to the demand for unique and stylish women's clothing. Number 18. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, customized t-shirt printing business is about offering customized t-shirt printing services focusing on unique designs, slogans, or personalized messages. The yearly profit rate in this business is 60%. The market demand is high. If you are in areas with a young population group or near universities, this business will do well due to the demand for personalized and fashionable clothing. Number 17. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, mobile footwear store business is about a small mobile setup selling kids and ladies fancy footwear at local events, fairs, or popular family spots. The yearly profit rate in this business is 60%. The market demand is high. If you are in tourist areas or regions with frequent community events, this business will grow due to the need for convenient shopping options and novelty items. Number 16. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, seasonal kids wear pop-up shop business is about setting up a temporary retail space for selling kids wear during high demand seasons like back to school or festivals. The yearly profit rate in this business is 66%. The market demand is high. If you are in family-friendly shopping centers or areas with seasonal festivals, this business will succeed due to the cyclic demand for children's clothing. Number 15. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, home-based Italian pasta sales business is about making and selling homemade Italian pasta. The yearly profit rate in this business is 73%. The market demand is high. If you are in areas with high appreciation for gourmet foods or Italian cuisine, this business will do well due to the popularity of authentic and artisanal food products. Number 14. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, mobile juice bar business is about setting up a mobile juice bar offering fresh fruit juices and smoothies in business locations. The yearly profit rate in this business is 77%. The market demand is high. If you are in health-focused communities or near gyms and parks, this business will grow due to the increasing demand for healthy and convenient drink options. Number 13. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, basic tea blending station business is about setting simple blending station to mix different types of tea leaves for unique flavors, targeting local consumers. The yearly profit rate in this business is 77%. The market demand is high. If you are in areas with tea enthusiasts or high footfall traffic like downtown shopping districts, this business will succeed due to the rising popularity of specialty teas. Number 12. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, street food stall business is about offering quick and delicious meals from a small setup. The yearly profit rate in this business is 77%. The market demand is very high. If you are in bustling urban areas or near nightlife hotspots, this business will grow due to the ongoing demand for street food. Number 11. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, homemade ice cream making business is about crafting unique flavors of ice cream from home. The yearly profit rate of this business is 73%. The market demand is very high. If you are in hot climates or tourist locations, this business will do well due to the constant desire for artisanal and refreshing treats. Number 10. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, bakery home business is about baking and selling cookies, rusks, or energy bars from home. The yearly profit rate in this business is 73%. The market demand is very high. If you are in community centered areas or near schools and parks, this business will grow due to the demand for homemade and healthy snack options. Number 9. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, mobile beauty salon business is about providing door-to-door beauty services like haircuts, facials and manicures. The yearly profit rate in this business is 84%. The market demand is very high if you are in upscale neighborhoods or areas with a busy professional population. This business will succeed due to the premium on convenience and personal care. Number 8. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, photography services business is about providing photography services for smaller events or as a secondary photographer at large weddings. The yearly profit rate in this business is 84%. The market demand is very high. If you are in areas with frequent social gatherings or scenic locations, this business will grow due to the high demand for quality photography. Number 7. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, homemade natural beauty products business is about creating and selling homemade natural beauty products like face masks and scrubs. The yearly profit rate of this business is 93%. The market demand is very high. If you are in areas with health conscious consumers or organic markets, this business will do well due to the emphasis on natural and organic personal care. Number 6. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, mobile coffee cart business is about a mobile setup offering freshly brewed coffee. The yearly profit rate in this business is 94%. The market demand is very high. If you are in business hubs or university campuses, this business will grow due to the high demand for coffee and convenient access. Number 5. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, Gourmet Popcorn Stand business is about setting up a small stand or kiosk selling gourmet flavored popcorn in high traffic areas like malls, cinemas or markets. The yearly profit rate in this business is 94%. The market demand is very high. If you are in shopping centers or entertainment areas, this business will be successful due to the growing popularity of specialty snacks. Number 4. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, Chinese takeaway stand business is about offering popular dishes like noodles and Manchurian from a small, efficient setup. The yearly profit rate in this business is 94%. The market demand is very high. If you are in areas with diverse culinary tastes or near business districts, this business will grow due to the love for diverse flavors and quick service. Number 3. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, Mobile Pizza Kitchen business is about a mobile setup that offers freshly made pizzas at local events or markets. The yearly profit rate in this business is 94%. The market demand is very high. If you are in urban centers or near event spaces, this business will make a good business due to the high foot traffic and popularity of convenient on-the-go meals. Number 2. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, community yoga classes business involves renting a small community hall or space to conduct group yoga classes. The yearly profit rate in this business is approximately 120%. The market demand is very high. If you are in residential area or near business centers, this business will grow due to the increasing awareness and demand for wellness and fitness programs. Number 1. With 1 lakh rupees of investment, online platform for sexual health and wellness products business is about creating an online store that offers a range of sexual health and wellness products, including personal care items, wellness aids, and educational resources. The platform provides a discreet and confidential shopping experience, ensuring customers' privacy and comfort. The yearly profit rate in this business is 200%. The market demand is very high. This business is suitable for urban centers and tech-savvy regions with high internet penetration and awareness about personal wellness such as Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So friends, the highest profit and highest demand businesses which can be started with 1 lakh rupees of investment are as follows. Accessory Manufacturing at number 20. Boutique Women's Clothing Line at number 19. Customized T-shirt printing at number 18. Mobile Footwear Store at number 17. Seasonal Kidswear Pop-up Shop at number 16. Home-based Italian pasta sales at number 15. Mobile juice bar at number 14. Basic tea blending station at number 13. Street food stall at number 12. Homemade ice cream making at number 11. Bakery home business at number 10. Mobile beauty salon at number 9. Photography services at number 8. Homemade natural beauty products at number 7. Mobile coffee cart at number 6. Gourmet popcorn stand at number 5. Chinese takeaway stand at number 4. Mobile pizza kitchen at number 3. Community yoga classes at number 2. Online platform for sexual health and wellness products at number 1. And that's our list of 20 businesses you can start with 1 lakh rupees. Excited for more? Join our next time for 5 lakh rupee business ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Turn your investment into success. All the best.